don't you sort of tell Saparna and I what your game was and how you thought it might be played in some place like on the surface of Mars?
It had two basketball hoops just like a basketball, and then it had this metal ball that collects the dust. You shoot it for the basket. And then the laser sensor on the ball makes the magnet turn off. Then the soil comes off into the bucket under it.
Excellent.
Whoever fills the bucket under the basket wins.
Usually when you have basketballs here on Earth, they're made out of rubber or something that's elastic that'll bounce. Materials like that don't work very well on the surface of Mars.
Why wouldn't we want to use rubber on the surface of Mars?
Because it would pop.
It would pop. Why would it pop?
Radiation?
Yeah, there's step on it. Just jump on top of the tire. No, step all the way up on there. Good job.
Yeah, seriously.
These members here, they'll actually start to bend.
Yeah. So that's what's giving you the bounce in this tire, right? So.
Now this is a wheel for one of our rovers. All right, there we go.
Yeah.
So this would be a very similar concept to what we could do for the ball for your system so that it would bounce on Mars. Made it just out of metal, right? And then we would have to make it magnetic.
On Earth, the soil here is really not that magnetic. NASA scientists actually put together what they think is the best idea of what Mars soil actually is. So this container right here is called Mars Soil Simulant. And it's just a fancy word that means this is what we think Mars soil is like. And so it's magnetic, so it'll work with your ball. On a pretty typical day on Mars, it's probably about this windy and the dust will kind of go like that.
Oh.
How do you know that this is Martian soil?
Because it's sticking to the ball.
So those little circles are the magnets that we put in the ball. You want something that's magnetic when you're playing, and then when you hit the hoop, the magnet turns off, right?
Yeah.
We can't turn off the permanent magnets in this, but we're gonna show you a way that we could possibly do that. Okay, go ahead and push it and hold it now. See how it yanked up the magnet?
Yeah.
Now when it goes through the basket, go ahead and let go. That's how it would let go of the dust. As it would go through the hoop, it would sense that it was going through the hoop. It would stop the current flowing from this power supply that we have back here, and then it would let go of the dirt. And that's how you would start to collect the dirt to see who was winning and know when they got the bucket full. Does that make sense? Mm-hmm. All right, awesome.
Hey guys, I want to introduce you to Wilson. Hello. Wilson is our artist today. He's an entertainment designer.
He's going to help us visualize how this game might actually look on Mars.
I was working on specifically the mechanism for when the ball goes through the hoop. How when the ball goes through and it demagnetizes the soil, it has a very high chance of getting blown away. We had like a funnel system for the dirt to go through into the bucket.
That's cool idea.
It's cool.